Good morning, friends. Today is a new day with a new journey. We are leaving for Pangong from this hotel at Hundar. It should take around 7 to 7.5 hours with a lot of rough patches in between. So it seems to be a good adventure this time. Whether it will be good or bad, we'll come to know gradually and we'll show it to you as far as possible. So let's proceed. It's already 9 o'clock now. We got a bit late. We should have started earlier. Anyway, better late than never. Let's go. See the beautiful grasslands, the fields, the pasture lands of Hundar. Although it's a desert, there are some patches of green fields out here. Four motorcyclists, including me, heading towards Hundar deserts or sand dunes. Hot over here. I'm sweating as of now. Strange weather. Suddenly it gets very hot, suddenly very cold. Extremes, temperature of extremes. Look at this marvelous reflection of the mountains and whatever little water is stagnant out here, both sides. Marvelous, right? But the road is very rough. It's all about gravels. Motorcycle is slipping a little bit. So guys, we are at the Hundar sand dune. Here you can go for this bike ride experience on the desert bike ride. It's 1,000 rupees, but this is not easy to ride, okay? It's not how it looks. It's not that easy. You need some practice. There are a lot of activities that keeps on going, and there is a unique species that is available here. It's a camel, but with double humps. Look at his cute face. Look at him. And see, he's looking at me. Hi. He's disturbed by... Okay. ছবি তুলো না দাদা মনে করছে না See, there are two unique things. Is this? It has got double humps. I mean, it has already prepared the throne for you, where you can sit comfortably without falling. Right? Look at this. Look at that. This looks so beautiful. look at the gorgeousness of this animal. Apart from all this, you'll have the exquisite setting of this particular place where you'll enjoy with your family and friends. इसका रेट क्या है, चार्ज राइड का?
30 रुपये
कितने टाइम के लिए?
15 मिनट.
So it's 15 minutes, 300 rupees for 15 minutes. I feel that's okay. Once you can take a ride, it's fine. Let's go. Proceed with our rest of our journey, which is pretty hard and pretty long. So guys, I'm moving out of this desert area. Look at the view on the reflection. Wow, this looks beautiful. Look at this beautiful reflection, guys. It's awesome, right? Well guys, there is a problem. Like Supratik's bike is not taking ignition, hence it's not starting. So he's stuck up there right at the desert gateway. There is some demonstration going on, it seems. Some blockage. I don't know what is it. ये आपका नाम सोनू है क्या? वो एक्चुअली हमारा एक गाड़ी वो हुंडर सैंड ड्यून के गेट में ख़राब हो गया है.
क्या हो गया?
वो स्टार्ट नहीं, इग्निशन नहीं ले रहा है उसका. मेरे को लग रहा है कि वो शॉर्ट किया है बैटरी को. वो स्पार्क होता है ना, वो नहीं हो रहा है.
स्विच ऑन करने पे
कुछ नहीं है, जल रहा है. पहले वायरिंग खोल दिया, फिर दोनों बैटरी का टर्मिनल है ना, उसको
वायर लगा कैसे स्पार्क कर.
हाँ, स्पार्क करने का कोशिश किया, नहीं हुआ.
लेकिन वो बैटरी डेड हो गया फिर तो.
हाँ,
क्या करना पड़ेगा?
यहाँ बैटरी मिलेगा ही नहीं. बैटरी तो चेंज करना पड़ेगा. बैटरी
चार्ज नहीं होती है,
यहाँ पे मिलेगा नहीं ना बैटरी.
चार्ज नहीं होती है,
चार्ज तो गाड़ी में होता रहता है.
नहीं
अलग से हो जाता है, वो नहीं होता.
यहाँ तो पावर नहीं आता दिन में.
हाँ, वो भी चाहिए.
तो आपको ले जाएंगे फिर.
देखिए हम जा तो सकते हैं, लेकिन बैटरी तो होना चाहिए पहले.
हाँ, तो आपका स्पेयर बैटरी नहीं होगा?
सेकंड गियर में डाल के धक्का मार के नहीं होगा स्टार्ट.
देखो गाड़ी कौन सा है?
था क्लासिक.
हो सकता है उसका चार्जिंग गया हो सकता है बैटरी गया हो, ये तो अभी चेक कर।
चार्जिंग शायद नहीं गया क्योंकि तो बैटरी पुराना है, वो ओरिजिनल 5 साल का बैटरी है, इसीलिए गया होगा।
वही वाला कंपनी
हाँ कंपनी वाला बैटरी है,
धक्का मार के नहीं स्टार्ट
वो स्टार्ट नहीं होगा धक्का मार के। आप कहाँ से आए?
गुजरात।
बोले जो
क्या प्रॉब्लम?
नहीं हमारा नहीं हो, इसका वो गेयर
इंजन उड़ा दिया मैंने।
क्या?
वो गेयर आता है ना,
गेयर
गेयर
से
से
तोड़ दिया पूरा अंदर का। अभी फूट के सुबह रात को भेज दिया, देखो फिल्म आ रहा है।
हिमालय वाला है।
इंजन का गियर बॉक्स ही टूट गया।
अच्छा ठीक है।
गियर
Shit.
बॉक्स और वो दूसरा एक आता है उसके अंदर मैकेनिज्म, वो उसको पकड़ता है ना, वो टूट गया।
लॉक जो आता है ना गेयर का,
गियर शिफ्टिंग करता है ना, वो टूट गया। और एक मैकेनिज्म होता है गियर,
फिर क्या किया?
वो बंदे ने अभी जुगाड़ लगा के ओपन करके सब डाला है।
स्प्रिंग था ना वो टूट गया था।
अभी मेरे तो गुजरात से लेके आए, इन लोग को तो कार है, अभी बाइक रेंट से लेके आए। अभी वो लोग ले जाएंगे, फिर से कार पे रिटर्न बना ले जाएंगे, ऐसा करेंगे। मैं अकेला आया हूँ।
अरे यार
मेरा तो इंजन ही खत्म हो गया था, बाकी दूसरी बात ही साइड हो गई। वो तो ये अच्छा है,
भैया क्या किया जाए?
हो जाएगा हो जाएगा।
बैटरी लेके जाना है यहाँ से।
हम जा रहे हैं इस तरफ, वो उस तरफ हो गया है।
तुर्तुक जाके आए?
हाँ
कितना घंटा लगा आपको तुर्तुक?
2 घंटा 2.5 घंटा।
2.5 घंटा। हाँ 2.5
तुर घंटा तुर्तुक से भी आगे गए ना,
हाँ वो क्या नाम है?
थांग विलेज।
जहाँ से बॉर्डर दिखता है।
हाँ थांग विलेज,
थांग थांग।
थांग। लेकिन वैसा करना नहीं चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से। आप लोग अगर रहना चाहते हो तो डायरेक्ट जाके तुर्तुक में रह जाओ, क्योंकि टाइम सेव हो जाता है। ये आने जाने का 2 घंटा ना 2.5 घंटा ये सेव हो जाता है। ये डायरेक्ट तुम चले जाओ तुर्तुक।
अभी तुर्तुक ही जा रहे हैं हम।
हाँ तो उधर ठहर जाओ, ठीक है ना। फिर अगर ठहरना हो तो
मगर थांग से तुर्तुक आना पड़ेगा ना हमको, तो फिर से रहना।
वो तो 6 किलोमीटर है।
हाँ हाँ 10, हाँ जो भी है। हाँ
हाँ तो वो उसमें क्या होता है, तुम यहाँ से अगर हुंडर में रहोगे तो तुम्हारा 86 किलोमीटर लग जाता है आने जाने में। नहीं आने का सॉरी 170 प्लस हो जाता है।
ओके।
तो यू वेस्ट दैट टाइम ना।
हाँ हाँ
एक साइड का टाइम आप वेस्ट कर रहे हो 2.5-3 घंटा। तो आप एक बार में चले जाओ तो तुर्तुक, वहाँ रह जाओ, फिर थांग होके दूसरे दिन कहीं और चले जाओ।
हमको जाना है पैंगोंग नेक्स्ट डे।
हाँ तो मेरा भी हम भी पैंगोंग के लिए निकले हुए हैं।
पैंगोंग के लिए जा रहे हैं।
बाय बाय। So guys, I'm stuck in Dixit. Amlanda has taken the mechanic along with a battery, spare new battery, for the repair of Shupratik's bike. The Shupratik's bike's battery is down, so that is the reason it's not taking any start. So to wait here for around I think 45 minutes or so till they're back, and by that time I'll spend time with this little girl. She is actually making some dollhouse for our Barbies. क्या नाम है तुम्हारा बारबी डॉल का? हाँ
नहीं रखा नाम।
कितने सारे हैं? कितने सारे डॉल्स हैं?
दो।
2? Oh, what's your name?
Jigme Dechen.
Huh?
Jigme Dechen.
Jigman. What's your name?
My name is Padma Akit.
Padma. So this is Padma and this is
Dechen.
Dechen. Good. It's thinking like a food. So guys, need to wait for some time. I don't know till wait what, but definitely reaching Pangong so becomes a bit difficult now. I'm trying to increase the subscriber by these two little girls. ये वाला प्रेस कर दिया, हो गया subscribe. A new battery has been purchased and fitted to Shupratik's motorcycle. Now he has gone for another repair job because his light has come out, so he's gone for welding the light clamp. We'll be going to the Dixit monastery and the Buddha statue, which is around 3 kilometers from here, and after that we'll be having lunch. The welding is done. There they Touch it. There's a wonderful view on the top. You'll definitely enjoy this view if you ever come to this place. অসাধারণ লাগে দেখতে উপর থেকে। There you are. That's the monastery. These are the choptans that lead you to this path. Here is a main entrance gate where probably you got to take tickets somewhere. I knew that it will be 500 rupees if you want to fly a drone out here, or else it is, yeah, there is the entry ticket. Look at this beautiful choptans around. Wow, what a view, man. Ja. In almost all videos I've seen this particular man collecting money and giving tickets. I'll show you closely. So this is the entry ticket. It is 30 rupees each. 30 টাকা না? 30 rupees each. This is the 14th century old monastery. Wow. 14th century.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
Move through these roads. Welcome to Maitreya Buddha, 106 feet. So this particular Buddha statue is of 106 feet.
I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair.
Yeah, we have come up. So we got the parking space, luckily. I think this is happening. So guys, we have come out of the Disket Maitri's building, Maitri Buddha statue, and now we are on our way to Khalsar. Well, probably we will stay at Khalsar today. If possible, we get a proper area. Chalo egao. Chalo. Look at the valley. এই ভ্যালিটাই সব ভুলিয়ে দেয়। There the open space once again for you. Yay! The vast plain land where you can roar your bikes. There's a vast plain land. been great. These lands could have been utilized properly. But how? I mean, what can you do? खाई भैया, खाने को मिलेगा? দাঁড়া, তোরা গিয়ে বস, আমি একটু আসছি। Here we are trying to search a place to stay. This is Tirith village. It is on the valley, Nubra Valley. There are camps over here. We'll try to find a place. Let's see what we can find out. It's quite late now, 7:30 almost, 7:23 exactly. Well guys, as I told you before, that everything got messed up today, and today I'm actually in an emergency search for a shelter. We landed up in Tirth village, somewhere around 15 kilometers from Diskit, which wasn't really bad. It's a tent accommodation. It has been already been around 7:53. This tent accommodation is really comfortable and not that expensive also. You have two options over here. One is with food and one is without food. So we took it without food. It took around 400 rupees. Diskit, 15 kilometers from Diskit, Tirth village is the place. We came to this beautiful campsite where you can hire camps and stay there, and it is owned by the husband wife couple. And आपका नाम क्या है?
सर मेरा नाम टुंडुक नमग्याल।
आपका ये साइट का नाम क्या है? क्या नाम है?
शायोक व्यू कैंप।
So this is Shayok View Camp in Tirth village, right? Tirth village, and as of now, because of the COVID, they don't have much of workers, so that is why this is his wife. And what's your name?
My name is Jigmet.
What's your name?
Jigmet. My name is Jigmet.
Zikmet. So both of them are actually managing it. You can see that they are cooking our dinner, and we four are there, and other residents are also there. So they are having a hard time in cooking the food for us. Anyway, tomorrow morning I'll show you the exact how it looks from outside, but definitely all the food that you are having, like all these vegetables and everything, is absolutely organic, है ना?
सर
बोलिए।
बिल्कुल ऑर्गेनिक सर। यहाँ से अभी मतलब वहाँ से निकल के लेके आए सर।
कहाँ से?
मतलब खेत से।
खेत से?
हाँ जी हाँ जी।
उनके अपने खेत से निकाल के लेके आते हैं और यहाँ कुक करते हैं. So it will be a worth visiting this place at least when you visit the Nubra Valley region. So I end today's vlog now because we need to rest and go out for Pangong early tomorrow morning and to freshen up a bit. It has been a very tiring day with no journey much and only waiting as there was a failure in motorcycle, not mine, but anyway, that's a part of the journey. Take care and do like, share and subscribe to my channel and have a nice time. Bye.